What's up, everybody? So I thought I'd do a quick, cheap, and fast, because I'm in a hurry and I'm starving and I don't feel like making a Kodiak cake this morning, power breakfast. It's gonna sound a little ridiculous. In here, I've got 2 cups of original Life cereal crushed up, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. First steps. Next, a scoop of the graham cracker whey. Now, mix all that puppy together. Well, I could have picked a bigger bowl, I guess, but whatever. Alright, next, some Fairlife milk. It's lactose free, so if you're lactose intolerant, you won't be farting constantly and stink up the entire whatever. So this stuff's good, but it also has more protein than regular milk, so that's a good thing as well. So we're gonna put just enough of that in there to get it wet, let's say. A little bit more. This is the worst part, is mixing this crap. If you have a bigger bowl, it's a little bit easier. Like this one sitting next to me, probably. And it's a little bit too big, but whatever. Alright. Boom, there's that. Oops, that's the not open one. About a tablespoon of peanut butter. It's a big teaspoon, or tablespoon, I mean. I just like to get it all up on top of there. Quablam. You got yourself a power breakfast. The video took less than 3 minutes. If I was doing this without the video, it would take me about 45 seconds. 45 seconds, you got all the carbs, protein, a little bit of EFAs. You're good to go. Start off your day. Meal 1, done.